Hello, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning, good afternoon, depending where you are watching from. So, guys, thank you so much for your support. I really feel amazing. I cannot take it for granted. Continue supporting me, guys. Watch my video with ads and subscribe, guys. Share it. Let's go viral. Imagine we can do it. So alone, just wanna prepare my breakfast today, guys. I have stay alone without eating sandwich, so just wanna prepare it. There's some of and this is my egg. I wanna use it. Yeah, can we? Will you test it? Will you? So let's go. Oh my God, test Mama. This is what I'm going to use. So this is my egg. You wanna crack it? I always prepare for the kids early in the morning with the little kid they go to school. For me, I don't do it. So I will put a pinch of salt. I'm gonna put water. Just have to wait the pan to become hot. This is my egg. I'm preparing. I just want to get it now. I need to put egg to turn color. Yeah, somehow to goldish brown, goldish yellow, not brown. Oh my god. Oh my god. You will have to take up a couple. You want to take up a couple. And when you want back, you can see the water. What it is, this is my favorite while I'm cooking, and I prefer this. So, prefer this for someone. Some people don't prefer this kind. Just one minute, but for me, so this is what I'm going to use. This is actually chili, hot spicy. I prefer it, and this is what you can see. This is what it is. Cheese, guys. This is cheese. Cream cheese and safi. So this is what I use it, and this is let's go. These bags we used to hold to close. What to do here. I think I told you earlier, I don't remove the inside. Just create a space. Sometimes I always wonder, there's a time egg big in size, sometimes small in size. So it's different company or what is always happening. Sometimes 3 eggs when you cook is like 1 egg big one. Sometimes you cook 1 egg is like 3 egg. Yeah, you see, this is 1 egg, but you look. So I always wonder how can I cook one a half an egg? Oh, it's not well on it. So this is my whatever. I'm gonna use this. Just gonna use this. So you can remember if it's a I don't use microwave. I just use this for toaster. Here we call it in Arabic hamasa. Let me show you. This is what it is. This is my sandwich. So I just wanna take it and place it here. God, it's overloaded. Overloaded, but just take it with the hand because it's for me. When it's for baby or when it's for somebody else, I wanna use gloves. But because for me, I don't see the need to use gloves, guys. I'm the one who's going to eat, and I trust myself. So let's prepare. Let's prepare tea. Stevens. Sugar. Just make this for later. So that's what it is. Very easy. So you have to close it for. So let me take a plate. You see, when it light red and green, it shows that it's ready. What you put inside, it's ready. It's high time we remove. So let's remove. So here it is. Here it is. And this is my breakfast. I call it breakfast. We call it. Thank you so much for joining me as I make my breakfast. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Here it is. This is my sandwich. There's me egg and samuli. I use cheese and I use spicy. This is my strong tea. Look it. Guys, kindly subscribe, guys. Please. It's a humble request. Please subscribe. I love you so much.